Want to know who's calling from an unknown number on your iPhone? Here are some simple tricks to uncover hidden callers. Use the 69 trick. Go into Phone app and quickly dial *69. Then press Call. This service attempts to redial the last incoming call and may provide details like the number, time, and date. But act fast. This method doesn't work after making another call. Also, try *57, which logs the last call for reporting to your phone provider. This can be useful if you're dealing with harassment or spam calls, but it doesn't always reveal the caller's number directly. Also, the third option is downloading a caller ID app. For example, a Truecaller is an app which identifies unknown callers and blocks spam calls. And the second one is Hiya. It shows caller info and helps filter robocalls. And the third app is called Caller ID Plus. It provides caller details, including the name and location if available. Before using these apps, ensure your iPhone has background app refresh. You go into Settings, and then you go into General and scroll down, and as you can see, background app refresh. It should be set at Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.